Hello everyone. Hey, I got a new camera. It's called what is it called? Campark Act 71. That's Campark Act 74. It's a 4K action camera, and I got it today, and it does 4K. Has an external mic capability, and yeah, it's a nice little box that it came in. Pretty cool. So let's just unbox this thing. So first thing is we got a redeem card for some other things like dual slot dock charger. We got a remote control. That's pretty cool. And some batteries. 2 batteries actually. And that's pretty cool as well. So I hear these last quite a bit. I'm going to see. The specs on this thing will tell you what the battery life is. But manual. And then the camera itself, well, let's go with the big box. This thing is loaded. I'm telling you, loaded with stuff in it. It's heavy. So let's open it up and see what we got. I'm going to put these batteries in the shade so that they don't get too hot. I'm going to pump it out. Just all kinds of mounting brackets, extra ties, Velcro, cable, more Velcro, straps, mounting gear, more mounting gear, all kinds of mounting gear, and it also comes with a cover and a plexiglass cover, I guess, to replace the old one just in case it goes bad. So that's what was in the box, which is just amazing, just totally amazing. And then we have the camera itself. It's a nice lightweight camera, and it's got all kinds of features. I think this is going to be pretty cool. Instead of using my camera up here, I'm going to use this one, and then I can use my phone to talk in, because the audio is much better. So that's what you get. You get just tons and tons of stuff. I think I paid $50, around $50 for this, which is not bad considering what they give you. And I can't wait to try it out. I'll do some product reviews. Again, this is just the unboxing of the unit, and I'll leave the links down at the bottom with all kinds of information about the camera, and I'm also going to put some links for the other products that I'm using, the wireless mic, or the mic with the cat whiskers on it, the Osmos 3, which I'm using here as well, and then anything else. So please like, comment, and share it to the world.